Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki GSX-R600 Supersport. Beautiful condition. This has got the Suzuki Racing paint scheme, smoke windscreen, frame sliders. Wait till you hear this exhaust. Carbon fiber, replica bits. It's got the fender eliminator, brand new tires, 30,000 miles on this gorgeous GSX-R600. Price to sell for just $89.99. Come on by and make your Gixxer dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.